Hello, welcome. I'm Stephen Watson. This is Someday Farm. You're watching today's Tàijíquán Tip. Uh, Thank you for subscribing and sticking with us. uh, Hopefully, some of these rather give you permission to try things in a different way. This isn't to say I'm trying to change what Tàijíquán is for you. And we're certainly not trying to challenge your teacher or teachings or lineage. But we're trying to invite you into a broader, more creative um, relationship with the whole of Tàijíquán, which is vast. Uh, so today's Tàijíquán tip involves your reading of the principles of Tàijíquán. And so I see them in a list form myself with the most important at the top. I'm not here to explicate those or argue for how to say them, what goes on the list, or what order. So whatever you have, maybe it's a list of 18 things, maybe it's Yang Cheng Fu's 10 essentials, or your list of 4 things, doesn't really matter. But the idea is to go through your practice. For me, I do this as a form in my Daolu, but I think you could probably do this in your warm-ups, in your 2-person and your weapon forms. But to go through the form and progressively emphasize the essential principles of Tàijíquán, right? So one by one, maybe move by move, maybe section by section, maybe just sort of periodically change. But as you're practicing, progressively emphasize one, then the next, then the next, and see if you can kind of feel how they relate to each other, how you feel, how the form feels, how the flow of energies feel as the different emphases come into the fore. So thank you very much for that. And thank goodness for you. Your teacher emphasized such good skill, such good attentiveness, such good care, because here you are, just as you are. Love.
Here are my links. Thank you. Your support is very needed.